guys, welcome back to Managing Magic from Castle to Lifestyle. I am Sadie, and yes, me and TJ are still practicing social distancing. As to opening back up the world, we decided that we don't agree with it, so we're just going to be responsible. But today I'm bringing to you guys a haul, but I say that because I don't know another way to describe it. I have not been out shopping. This is stuff I found around my home, so I guess I shopped my house. That works, right? There is kind of like a bar area in my kitchen, but it's like too tall for you to put bar stools there and sit. Like, it's just a really weird height. So I figured that maybe I could find a way to redecorate it. I had some other decorations up there, but I took them down a long time ago, just because I wasn't liking it. So today I figured we could do something different with it, and I was just going to show you what I was going to use. And again, this is just stuff that I've had. I will tell you where I got it from and things like that, but other than that, yeah, it's just stuff that I have. So let's get started. So I really wanted, I guess, just candles in this area, something relaxing as well as simple. So the first things that I grabbed were this. It's a set that I have. I mean, this thing is like, it's pretty tall. But yeah, it's about, there we go. That can fit in the shot. That's how tall it is. And then I'll show you the details on it. You know, it's been painted, it's been distressed a little bit. It's got some great carving in it. So this is the tallest one of the three. So there's the tallest one. Here's the medium one. A little simpler in like the wood details, but I'm okay with that. I really like what they did here. This one's, you know, also white and distressed, and this is how tall this one is. And then here's the shortest one. I feel like it's a mixture of the two, but now this set, I got it in total for $15 from an estate sale. So I don't know where they're originally from. That's just where I got them. And then because I wanted to kind of, I guess, mix up the shape of it, I decided to get some shorter ones. But I painted these ones blue, and I also distressed them a bit. And these were just wooden, and I actually got these from Michael's. And again, I've had them for a long time, so I don't know what the cost is or anything. I'll see if I can find it on their website and put it across the screen here. But I distressed this one as well. Again, because I have that big up piece that we've talked about in my entryway, I want that color palette throughout the home. So that's why I painted those blue. And then I just have some candles. These are just some pillar candles. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They came in a 2-pack. I'll see if I can link them below as well. These are the ivory colors. I wanted ivory on the white instead of white on white to kind of mix up, you know, the shades. They're coming off, I think, far more yellow. They're not this yellow in person. They're definitely a cream color, not, you know, not just pure yellow. And then also cream colored candles, cream colored candlesticks for the little ones. I got these from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I decided I wanted to punch up the green and the yellow. So I'm using this candle here. It's kind of hard to see with this light, but it starts off a cream color, fades to yellow, and fades to a light green. This, the very top part, is coming off much more yellow than actually it is much lighter in person. And then, let's see. I don't really know what else I kind of want to put up there. It's been kind of a question. So I'm struggling with some signs. I don't know which ones to use. There's this one that says "Love You More," and you know, just short and simple. This one's from Kohl's. It was whole price at $9.99. The price tag's still on there. That's the only reason why I know it. My husband actually had this, so I don't even know like how long it's been a part of our lives. And then this piece I also got from Kohl's. It says "You Are My Sunshine," and we just love that little song. So, and again, I've had these pieces for a long time. I didn't go out and get these. And then this one is my favorite. It says "Let It Be," and I know I got this one from Hobby Lobby, but I love the font, I love the details. The Let It Be is in black. I feel like it's coming off like gray on camera, but it is just regular black. And this is part of a spring sale, but I have no idea how much it was. I'm so sorry, guys. Like I said, I just went through my house and found things. And because it is on the kitchen ledge, I wanted to kind of incorporate, you know, something that you would find in a kitchen or use. So I figured a teapot would be a great idea. I know. This is the weirdest teapot I've ever seen. That's why I got it. I also got this at an estate sale. But yeah, so this is the handle. That's the spout. It's a cube. And the lid comes off like this, you know, and you can see the holes in it for the tea to come out of. Yeah, it is. This is the strangest thing I've ever seen, and I love it. I actually collect teapots, and so I saw this, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. Like, it's weird, right? It's so Art Deco. Like, I've never seen anything like it. And then it came with the creamer. I believe this might be the sugar, and this one might actually be the creamer due to the size difference. But it's got this beautiful striping on it, and it's just like the most elegant and subtle detail. And then it came with this little square piece. If I remember correctly, these are actually used to hold tea bags, but again, it also has that pattern on it. And they only had one teacup, and it's quite small. I mean, it's pretty small for a teacup, to be honest. Teacups need to be larger, but it's got that black rim, that gold on the inside, and that yellow and gray. And then I'll show you guys the saucer. But yeah, so like I said, I found this at an estate sale. They sold it to me for, I want to say, like $28 for the whole thing, which, I mean, might be considered a little pricey to some, but it's not. So I decided to come home and do some research on this. And I found out this sailed, I believe, on the Queen Mary in the 1930s. So it's an Art Deco set. And I couldn't believe it. I was so shocked to find that out. And they had other pieces, of course. They had like dinnerware to match it, you know, so a larger plate, a salad plate, bowls, and things like that. But it's very difficult to find. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to have the dinner set in my life. I don't think I need it, to be honest. My mom actually did get me my own china set when we got married. Well, it was given to her and she wanted to give it to me. So I don't think I'm going to try to get all the pieces to this, and honestly, it'd be like ridiculously expensive. I could not believe the price of the replacements for these. There's a certain name for what this is called, and I'll show you here below. But when I did my research, I just typed that in, and that's how I found it. Sorry, it's kind of having a hard time to focus, but it says the Cunard, I believe that's how you say that, but it's spelled C-U-N-A-R-D, and then Steamship Company. So the Cunard, I believe, Steamship Company Limited, Foley Bone China, and yeah. So I just thought this is really cool. You know, I love things from different decades and learning about them. And, you know, I really wonder why this tea set is square. I can't figure it out though. Like I've been doing a lot of research and no one is talking about it. So I don't know why, but I like it. It's fun. So we're going to use that too. But yeah, I'm sorry that this stuff is so random. I'm probably not going to use all the signs either. I might just use one. I think I'm just going to use the Let It Be sign because I have a surprise for you guys coming up. I have a theme for my kitchen finally, and we're going to do like a decorate with me. So because it's in the kitchen, I think we're going to do the Let It Be sign. And then for my Pop Disney decor, I'm going to do a picture. Let me reach over and get it. Okay. So you guys have totally seen this frame before, you know. But I bought two of them. This was from Home Goods. It was $6, but I really love the gold. So, you know, we're just going to put this in there, give it a pop. You know, that's me and my husband with Woody. Him and I are huge Toy Story fans. So, we're going to get to the decorate with me. Sadly, the decorating footage was totally ruined for this. The bulbs went out while I was doing it, so the film was ruined and this photo is fuzzy and I'm so sorry about that.
We ordered some bulbs for the kitchen, but now we have to wait for them to come in. I'm so sorry for the quality, but I hope you guys still see what it looks like and enjoy it. Maybe when we possibly do a kitchen decorate with me, you can get a better look at this, but here's the overall look and I love it.
That's it for today's video. I know it was short and sweet and simple, but you know, staying home makes me want to love every part of it, so that's what I'm doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration to shop your own home and maybe just redo some things so you have a different view while you're participating in social distancing and staying inside. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you are notified whenever we upload. Also, you can follow us at managing_magic on Instagram, where we definitely try to interact with our followers and you get even more updates and content there. You can also follow us on Pinterest at Managing Magic to see where we get some of our ideas or, you know, anything else like that. And then you can also follow us on Facebook, which is Managing Magic as well. And I think that's everything. But thank you guys so much for coming along. I hope you guys have a magical day and thanks for stopping by. Bye!